Hey, howdy. Here's what I'd like you to do. I would like you to draw these three squares and draw this picture as you see it. Just like this. This is in. Hi! Hey! Here we are. We're starting to get to the end of this particular standard. And what I'd like you to do is to go into Google Classroom. And on this page, as you probably recognize this, you'll see that on Google Classroom for Wednesday, or for Thursday, excuse me. Click on States Matter. This is going to pop up. What I want you to do is take a clear sheet of paper. If you are in school, you'll be working on it in your workshops and in my class. I want you to draw these three squares, and I want you to draw these arrows really nice and neat. Draw what these molecules look like as far as a solid, a liquid, and a gas. Show that you know what those are. I would like you to be able to do that. And then I also want you to use color, red and blue, as this does. I want you to draw this exact one and do it very neatly. Now you need to have some room because on the underneath it, I want you to do this one. This is also on that very one. You just hit it and arrow, you'll see. So I want you to draw this one. This has to do with the freezing over here. And then if you add energy, then it goes back to water. And if you add more energy, it will evaporate and go up into the air. Then, with condensation, you're going to lose energy. And remember, condensation on the cup, it clings to the cup with condensation because the lower energy creates a less motion. And then if you go a step farther and take away more energy, then you have frozen molecules, which look just like this, and ice. And it goes back and forth, back and forth. So this is what I would like you to do. Draw both of those for me on one sheet of paper. Okay, like I said, this one and label, this one and label. Use colors for the arrows. Make sure you label all the parts. I need you to understand this. This is the concept that we're trying to learn for the standard. Okay? That's what I need you to do. Then what we're going to do is we're going to spend a little time on the water cycle and how it relates to nature and how that works and how the water is in a closed system. And that's one more standard that we will have and will be done with. Okay, that's what I want you to do for today, whether you're in a workshop, in my class, or your distance. That's what I want you to do. Just a sheet of paper, do it neatly, do it nice and neat, so that when I see it and you take a picture of it and hand it in, I'm going to say, yep, 4 points. You did it. I'm going to sign you off on that particular standard. Okay, that's for distance learners, for hybrid learners, in my class, in the workshop, doesn't matter. Okay, I'll have some paper in those workshops for you too. All right, thanks.